So you come out and you say you meet him, and the day you start working for him, he threatened your life. And if you do anything wrong or if anything happen, you know what I'm saying? Because I know who you know, I'm gonna have to get rid of you. You know what I'm saying? Never to be found again. And that happened on your first day, and you still showed up to work on the second day. You know what I'm saying? I just can't get with that. I mean, that should have been the last day. You know what I'm saying? Grand opening, grand closing type deal. You know what I'm saying?